Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Following on from the discussion yesterday, Honourable Speaker, as I said, the decision to reduce VAT from 15 to 12.5% was a very conscious decision by the government. It was done in light of the three consecutive years of good growth, good revenue collection, and the trends towards overall inflation in the country. This tax, Mr. Speaker, is expected to deliver savings of approximately 250 million to the low and middle income households, and that is again a very conscious decision. This is on top of the maintenance of the 21 basic food items with zero VAT, with the addition of another one, making it 22, the prescribed medicine. And so we have observed, as a result of that, decrease in the price of goods and services paid by families. For instance, people are now paying 2.5% less VAT for electricity tariff, fuel, and all other food items that are not under zero-rated VAT. All government fees, levies such as birth, marriage, death certificates, LTA levies, passport, police reports, clearance, and many more are now being delivered at a lower cost. As I highlighted again, Mr. Speaker, inflation has been in the negative territory for the last 7 consecutive months, which means that since February this year, overall prices have been coming down compared to the same period last year. Inflation rate was recorded at minus 3.5% in August 2025, compared to 3.8% in August last year. So the declining inflation trend and the inflation rate of negative 3.5% in August this year reflects, Mr. Speaker, the impact of VAT reduction on prices. Lower prices were recorded in the food and non-alcoholic beverages, transport, cooking gas, and other fuel categories. Mr. Speaker, this timely reduction is significant not only for low-income households, but also, more importantly, for middle-income families who may not qualify for targeted subsidies such as water and electricity. All of them are now benefiting from the reduction, but may still face a slightly higher cost. So, lowering the VAT, we are ensuring that it benefits all Fijians, Mr. Speaker. And to ensure that the benefits of that VAT reduction, like other policies such as reduction in the duties, government for the first time established a price monitoring and enforcement task force, PMET. This task force is a standing interagency board established under the leadership of the Ministry of Finance, in collaboration with the FCCC, Consumer Council of Fiji, and the Fiji Revenue Customs Services. And its primary objective is to support the implementation of budget reforms and promote fair market practices that safeguard consumer welfare. And we've seen, Mr. Speaker, PMET monitors market prices to ensure that changes in VAT and customs duties are accurately reflected in retail pricing, helping to prevent unjustified price increases and protect household affordability. It investigates consumer complaints, enforces compliance, and conducts public awareness and campaigns to ensure transparency and decision-making. The task force, Mr. Speaker, also provides policy advice on regulatory reforms and market efficiency and coordinates responses to supply chain disruptions that may affect product availability or affordability. As we announced in the budget, we are changing the way in which the quarantine was, for example, restricting import of products. For example, ghee was coming from India to Australia and New Zealand, but we were not allowed to import the same product that was ending up in Australia, New Zealand, directly from India. So from September this year, Mr. Speaker, ghee is being directly imported from India, and I'm told by those who are importing it that the prices will be lower than what they were when they were importing it from Australia and New Zealand. So in addition to the VAT reduction, government has, Mr. Speaker, implemented other measures to support households. For example, the 10% bus fare subsidy, the continuation of the $200 back-to-school assistance that we introduced in 2023. It will also be continued in 2026. And we talked about this, Mr. Speaker. As I said, the incomes have also been increasing. And this is partly because of government's deliberate policy. From $4 minimum wage, 1st of January 2023, to $4.50. It's not microwave. We took a decisive action to make the minimum wage $5 in this country. And all the wages councils are paying higher than $5, Mr. Speaker. The increase in the salaries of the civil servants. In 1 year, we've increased the salaries of the civil servants between 10 to 23%. We increased the social welfare allowances between 15 to 28%. Mr. Speaker, we've increased the price of sugarcane that farmers got highest ever. We increased the price of rice farmers. We increased the subsidies. So all these things, Mr. Speaker, has shown that, and that is why the official inflation figures, Mr. Speaker, are very clear. That is why in the last 7 months, inflation has been going down, cost of living has been going down. It's very clear. It's only the lies from the opposition that is confusing the people. When they go and sit, Mr. Speaker when they go and sit beside the grog bowl, when the butter prices went up, Honorable Kumar, they have, you see this buffoonery coming from the opposition side in their post, Mr. Speaker said butter prices have gone up. Honorable Maharaj put a post, oh, this government has increased the price of butter. When all the butter is imported from New Zealand, and when the price of butter went up in New Zealand, Mr. Speaker, this is not, I want to repeat this because these are the lies that they go and tell the people instead of telling them the truth, Mr. Speaker. So government policy, Mr. Speaker, has worked well in terms of our finances, in terms of the inflation rate that has been coming down, and it is having a clear impact on the cost of living that people are now feeling and people are relieved. And we are very, very happy about the way we have managed these policies in the last 3 budgets, Mr. Speaker. And this will have a lasting positive impact in the future as well. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.